Welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add Discovery Plus onto your Samsung Smart TV. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who have a Samsung Smart TV, but how do you actually go ahead and add Discovery Plus to it? Now the way to do this is that you first need to grab your remote right over here, and then you need to access your home screen, and then you want to scroll to where it says apps. Okay, so let me zoom in a bit closer. So click on apps, and then once it finishes loading, you want to find the search bar. So for me, it's in the upper right hand corner right over here. So if I scroll over to the upper right hand corner, I'm going to be able to do an app search. So next what you're going to do is that you're going to start typing in here. So I'm going to start typing in Discovery Plus with my remote. So and then as you start to type, it does start to auto-populate on the top row. So here I can see that Discovery Plus is right over here. So click on Discovery Plus, and then on this page right here, you're going to click on Install. Okay, so you're going to install it, and then it should appear in the home screen of your Samsung TV. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add Discovery Plus on your Samsung Smart TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.